Okay, so we're gonna be doing a lining on this tote bag. And so with these big main panels, I did them double the length of the bag. So we're gonna fold these in half, and then we're gonna run a stitch along the edge. And we're gonna do that on both of these. And then the bottom panels we'll just leave. And then I did double the length on the side panels as well. So we'll do the same thing. So there'll just be a nice top stitch and finished edge on the top of the tote bag. Okay, we got ourselves a rectangle tunnel. I'm gonna cut the edges so they all line up real nice. And then we're gonna get to the bottom and then flip it inside out, and we're almost done.
You're a sunflower. You're a sunflower.
It's looking good.
What's that?
Thank you so much for watching today's video. You got me this week, and we're gonna try and see if I can keep it up and be making a video at least once a month. I found this hide at Tandy in the sample book. It's the Kaleidoscope leather, and it's the Tosca line, but I fell in love with this color, and I'm like, I gotta make a tote bag. So I got myself a really simple pattern. We tried out the liner on this as well. So Hal Sampson got our last Happy Mail package, and I want to send out some more because the last two didn't claim them. So in the comments down below, comment some of the next projects you want to have us do, and we'll pick some of you guys and we'll send you some products. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
You're looking at Mom? What the heck?
Hey.
She's doing this thing where she just acts real cute and she knows it and she starts dancing. Who is the cutest leather baby? Who's got the cutest legs? Mwah. Mwah. You gotta be soft with my nose. I'm still fragile. I'm fragile. She's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I like her. What?
Who I found out
Who
there.
woke up?
Wandering in the woods.
Hi, Indy. Hey, let me see that cute face. How'd you sleep?
I get my tea.
You got your Kindle? Do you want to sit by Edda and watch it? Edda, can Indy sit by you?
Let's turn you around, little girl. You can see your sister. Let's see.
Action. Look who I found. Wes, did you have a good nap too? Hey, are you playing a game?
Yeah.
Look who came to join me. My Bubba and my Indy.
Mom.
You want to make some pizza?
Yeah.
Some chocolate pizza? Uh-huh. Why is this so hard? Why is this so hard?
Day.
Is it big?
Yeah.
Edda! Hi. Hi.
She only responds to Ed. Because that's your new name.
No, it's not. Say, I'm Edda June.
Edna June.
Hey,
Mom,
this is how the kids entertain themselves in the shop. Got some clampers in a box.
Dude, don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth.
Ooh, dirty.
That's been on horses and dirt.
Okay, let's go inside.